Top 10 Low Investment Business Ideas in India in 2020. It is quite evident that the current generation is all about startups. Plenty of startups like Flipkart, Ola, Oyo, Uber, Zomato, etc. have commenced their journey in this decade and made it big in the Indian markets. These big names are all over the internet and in every household with access to the internet. The 21st century is surely very fast-paced and you need to make sure that you catch up. Currently, there is a significantly high amount of opportunity for entrepreneurs to leave a mark with new business ideas. When it comes to businesses, starting properly and entering the market is important for securing their position and their continued growth. To start a business, you do not necessarily need to accumulate a load of investment, you could always start from as much as you have and build upon it. Read on to find out about some wonderful business ideas based on their low investment requirements. Content marketing. This is probably one of the best ways to earn online. Huge companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro to mid-level media startups to bloggers and websites, everybody everywhere needs content. In the upcoming years, content creation and distribution are going to be in even greater demand than today. Blogging a best business idea. You have a skill and have some expertise in it, then you could probably share it with others through blogging. Hundreds of platforms will help your blog. For instance, you could make videos on a subject you are good at and YouTube would be the best platform for this. If you are good at taking pictures, then Instagram should be your take. Every skill has a unique platform available. Coaching classes. You might have noticed that education is one of the most profitable business options available right now. Every exam needs proper guidance in today's competitive environment and everybody wants to give their best shot at it. Hence, the popularity of traditional coaching centers. But the last decade has seen an incredible rise in demand for online educational resources too, bringing more and more opportunities in the market. Here, the investment is not so high. You could teach online which would cost you nothing and the entire fees will form your revenue. Professional photography. In the previous decade, the Indian buying capacity has exponentially increased. Hence, this has enabled people to buy costly equipment required in fields like photography. If you have a passion for photography, then why not start earning as a professional photographer? You have the option of choosing a niche in photography and approaching it professionally. One of the most profitable niches is wedding photography because, in our country, marriages are pretty expensive. Social media has given a completely new turn to the popularity of photography. Inventory management for e-commerce. Most of the e-commerce companies are going out of warehouse and inventory management across various cities. Hence, this gives rise to a new business option known as warehouse or inventory management. This would need a lot of labor and space to install a warehouse. Initially, you could start this business from a small town or city and then expand. Travel planning is good business idea. This is a very lucrative business idea for the upcoming future. You need to plan travel trips for people. You need to have proper knowledge of the hotels, bookings and various routes. So that you'll be able to plan a trip for your customers. You could also take up franchises of famous travel companies for quickly setting up your business. Travel planning startups would serve the best when done online. Wedding planner. Indian weddings are always grand. The wedding season in India provides a big opportunity for all the entrepreneurs who could help in taking care of various operational activities and wedding-related assignments. Wedding planners do a lot from helping the bride and groom in choosing dresses to organizing events and managing guests. People who are creative are interested in parties, celebrations and have management skills that can start this type of business. Internet advertising as low investment business idea. This too is a very promising business option to go for. The internet is used all over the globe for advertising and you could start up your own advertising business. You need to accept advertisement requirements from the business and create and distribute them to popular blogs, websites based on the target audience and location. Such advertisings could also be done on Facebook, YouTube, and other such social media platforms. The advertisements could be text-based, image-based or video-based. You will surely earn a huge deal in this business and rarely go out of work since there are so many brands willing to advertise on the internet.